Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Let's try to understand how to generate the text tables in Tableau. In Tableau, these are the variables which are known as dimensions, and these are the variables which are known as measures. So let us pick one variable from measure and one from dimension. From here, I'll pick up region. For multiple selections of the variable, make sure that you press the Control tab on your keyboard. Select sales, drag it and drop it in the canvas. Now, to change the chart type, we'll activate this table. So we have got the sales according to the zone. I can also include one more dimension from here and drop it into the column. You can see that now we are having the sales according to the region and subcategory. If you feel that we are not able to accommodate the full table, you can transpose from here. Now I will pick up the profit from here and I will drop it into the color. You can see the text colors have changed. So dark blue indicates the profitable businesses and the dark orange color indicates the loss zone. So these are the businesses which are making losses. Kindly hover your mouse on the particular figure and it will give you all the details. So this is a west zone, west region, subcategory bookcases. Profit is minus 164. It means that it is making a loss of 1647 and sales are 36,000. And the profitable businesses are this one, the dark blue text lines. I can also pick up one more categorical variable from here, and that is segment, and I'll drop it before the region, and you can see. Now we are having a subcategory, segment, and region together. I'll again drop segment back to its original place and I will open this region from here. So you can get the detailing according to the states also by pressing this plus sign here. Moreover, you can also get the details according to the manufacturer if you place this plus sign. So this is the way you can generate the text tables in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Kindly refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau.